Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to crop a photo on your iPhone. Pick up your iPhone, go into the Photos app and select the photo that you want to edit and crop. Then click on Edit in the top right hand corner. If you select this button down here, that allows you to crop the photo. Now what you literally do is take your finger and you can drag any of the edges inwards or outwards to actually crop the photo to your desired cropness. Once you're happy with that, you can click on Done. But if you don't want to lose the original photo, the best thing to do is go back out to your photo album, select the photo that you want, click on this button here, then select Duplicate. That creates a complete duplicate copy of that photo. Then you can just go in and edit one of the photos and just do your cropping. You can use this function up in the top right hand corner, which is preset crops, different sizes. If not, you can just drag your finger in the corners and crop it to the exact size that you want. Once you're happy, then click on Done. Then if we go back out to the photo album, we can see that we've got two photos there and one that is cropped. In the top right, there's a video on how to transfer voice memos from your iPhone to your computer or laptop. And in the top left, how to show full screen caller photo in your iPhone when someone calls you. That's a really handy feature. And in the bottom left, how to create a photo album on your iPhone. I hope that was useful.